The HP LaserJet Enterprise MFPM630 displays the error 99.09.67, not bootable message. In this video, we will fix the error and restore normal operation. After the printer starts, the error 99.09.67, not bootable message appears. Download the latest firmware for the HP LaserJet Enterprise MFPM630 from the official HP website and copy the firmware file to a USB flash drive. Copy the downloaded firmware file to the USB flash drive. Extract the zip file and copy the firmware files directly to the USB flash drive's root directory. Insert the USB flash drive containing the firmware file into the printer. Use the arrow keys to select Administrator. Select Format Disk. Then run Partial Clean. Select Download to continue with the firmware process. Open the USB thumb drive. If the firmware file appears, select OK to continue. The firmware transfer process takes approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Please wait and make sure the printer is not turned off during this process. After the process is completed, go back and select Continue. The firmware update process will now begin. It may take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Do not turn off the printer during this process, as it may cause serious damage and make the printer unusable. The firmware update has completed successfully. Now configure the initial printer settings. such as language, date, time, and other required settings. Select the correct location. Set print from USB to yes to enable this important option. The 99.09.67 Not Bootable error has been successfully fixed, and the HP LaserJet Enterprise M630 is now working normally. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more printer repair videos. Thanks for watching.